Monkey tired of losing. Monkey play smart squirrel last week. Squirrel take all monkey pawns. Monkey rage. But now, monkey learn Queen's Gambit. Very old human opening. Very strong. Monkey open game with banana strike to center. D4 strong. D4 proud. Monkey say, control jungle middle first. Eat banana later. Monkey now offer C4 pawn. A banana sacrifice. Monkey bait squirrel. Monkey want control, not snack. Opponent take banana. Monkey furious, but patient. Monkey get it back later. Monkey call jungle knight to help. Defend center. Prepare banana rescue mission. Monkey open cage door for bishop. Also prepare to get banana back on C4. Monkey recapture banana. Victory is sweet. Bishop strong. King go hide in jungle hut. Now monkey safe. Ready for fight. Now to the declined version. Squirrel no take banana. This Queen's Gambit declined. Knight come help banana army. Pressure builds in jungle center. Double monkey knights in the jungle now. Monkey feel confident. No blunders today. Monkey pin enemy knight. Can't move. Monkey smart. Monkey squeeze. Monkey hold center like vine on tree. Solid. Now monkey ready for anything. Bishop come close. Monkey prepare attack. Monkey smell squirrel fear. King finally in safety hut. Now monkey can jump out of bushes and throw rooks like coconuts. Now monkey has teached you how to play accepted and declined version. Now monkey show a bonus. Monkey no chase banana yet. Monkey prepare slow trap. Opponent try to defend stolen banana. Monkey smash coconut in rage. Monkey destroy pawn chain. Weak branch at base. Monkey know how to break tree defense. Monkey win. Final monkey recap. If opponent take banana, monkey stay calm. Develop. Take it back. If opponent say no to banana, monkey still build army. Big monkey attack coming soon. If this helped you win more in jungle, press banana button, like, subscribe, or monkey throw bishop at you. Comment what monkey should teach next.